What is jurisdiction in statutory law? Imagine a court as a gatekeeper that decides which cases it can handle. That decision depends on the rules set by laws passed by the government. These rules are what we call statutes. Statutory law gives courts specific authority to hear certain types of cases. This authority is known as jurisdiction. Without it, a court cannot make valid decisions. Think of jurisdiction as the court's legal permission slip to hear a case and make binding rulings. It's like a map that shows exactly where the court's power begins and ends. Jurisdiction is divided into two main parts. The first is subject matter jurisdiction. This means a court's power to hear cases about certain topics. For example, federal courts handle cases involving federal laws, constitutional issues, or disputes between people from different states. State courts, on the other hand, handle cases about state laws unless federal laws come into play. The second part is personal jurisdiction. This is about whether the court has authority over the people or entities involved. For instance, if someone lives in a state or does business there, the court can usually exercise personal jurisdiction over them. Courts need to check their jurisdiction before they start hearing a case. If they don't have it, any decision they make could be invalid. Jurisdiction also helps decide where a case should be filed. It prevents conflicts between courts over who has the right to decide a case. This way, each court stays within its legal boundaries. Jurisdiction also allows courts to create legal relationships. When a court rules on a case, it can establish rights or duties for the parties involved. These rulings are binding and can affect future legal actions. In the courtroom, understanding jurisdiction is essential because it determines if a court can hear a case and issue enforceable decisions. Without proper jurisdiction, a case might be dismissed or overturned. In summary, jurisdiction in statutory law is the legal authority granted by laws to courts. It defines what cases they can hear and decide. This ensures courts operate within their designated powers and helps keep the legal system organized and fair.